Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design professional banners using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the print section, and here you have different options: marketing, gift, stationery, clothing, cards and invites. Now go to the marketing section, and here if you scroll down in the second row, you will see the banner option. Now if you tap on it, Canva is going to open up the editing page, which already has the exact ratio and quality that you would need for a banner. Now from here you have a few options. You can either upload your own images and designs, or you can choose images from the free Canva library, which are copyright free images that you can use for your design very easily, and add text or any different design elements. And obviously you can also use the templates section, which is, in my opinion, the best way to create professional banners. These templates are all created by professional designers, so they are very beautifully made. And when you choose one of these templates, you can go and add your own titles, your own designs. You can change the colors and pretty much everything about it, but also keep the professional look to it. So these are quite amazing and also free, so I would highly recommend using these. You can also go to the search bar and search for any specific industry that you are interested in to create professional ads, banners. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.